Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start on your iPhone because the only reliable way is create watch face from photos. First, make sure your iPhone is paired to the Ultra 2, signed into the same Apple ID, and Bluetooth is on. Next, open Photos and choose one image with a clear subject. Tighter crops work best. Once chosen, tap Share, then create Watch Face. This immediately begins building the wallpaper face so you can customize how it fits and displays. Once Create Watch Face opens, pick the photo style you want, standard photo, portrait, or kaleidoscope, and preview how it crops on the round/rect display. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag to position important details so they're not hidden by complications. Then select complications. Keep them minimal so the image remains readable. Typical picks are time, battery, and activity. After adjustments, tap Add to send the new face to your Ultra 2. It syncs instantly over Bluetooth. Now finalize on the watch. Press and hold the current face, swipe until you see the new custom photo face, then tap to set it as active. If it doesn't show up, make sure both devices are up to date, unlocked, and within Bluetooth range. Sometimes the sync stalls. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and Ultra 2, free some storage, then recreate the watch face from photos. That fixes most sync or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.